Okay, this is the New Jersey Transit Station sign that's renamable that I'm still working on. I have an attachment. Added to it, and it's called. Let's see. It's called A.Name0. It has to be named that for the game to read it correctly. Now, I'm not sure the attachment point is facing the right way because it doesn't have any kind of markers or any kind of things that would have been useful in letting me know which way it's facing. So I have no idea where it is. All I can really do is hope that it's facing the right way, and if it's not, I'll have to. Oh wait, I think I found something. Hold on. Oh, this is probably the thing that's telling me which way it's facing. Oh, okay. So I just have to rotate it. Oops. I don't know what just happened. Huh. Now it doesn't tell me anything. Okay, I'm just gonna Control Z that. Anyway, I have no idea where this is facing, so I'm just going to save it, and if it's not facing the right way, then I'll just rotate it later. That's why I saved this in GMAX, just in case I have to come back to it and tweak it a little bit. So, now it's time to export it, because it's pretty much finished. So, File, I'm going to export. Let's see. I'm going to put it in, where is it? In that folder I made earlier, so it's going to be in Desktop, NJT, Station Name Sign, Sign.im is what I'm going to call it. Yes, I want to replace it. Export canceled. Oh, did I forget to select it first? Let me see. Okay, here's the select tool. I'm going to highlight the whole thing. Okay, here we go. And now, File, Export. Do you wish to overwrite all existing .texture.txt files? Yes. Okay, now that that's completed, all we have to do is make a night mesh for it. Basically, it's the same mesh, it's just going to have different textures so that it appears to be glowing at night. And making that is actually pretty easy. First, go to GMAX Material Editor. Okay, I'm going to add, let's see. So, okay, how about self-illumination? I'm going to click on this. Okay, where did I save it? It should be in Desktop. As soon as I can find it. Okay, here it is. Okay, this must be what I'm looking for. I'm also going to have to name it this so that the game understands. Okay, copy. Okay, click on this. Open. Okay. Rename this. And then apply. I'm not sure if that worked. Displacement. Oh wait, I know what I did wrong. I'm supposed to create a new texture. Okay, new, standard. Okay. Let me see. Oh wait, that's the wrong button. Where is that? I'm trying. Oh yeah, pit. No wait, that's not the right one either. Oh, now I remember. I guess self-illumination, because it's gonna be glowing in the dark. Oops. Okay, copy that. Open. paste. And then apply. It should appear to be glowing. I'm not sure what's going on. Okay, let me see. Diffuse color.
Mommy.
Okay, I'm not sure why, but it doesn't really look like anything changed. Okay. I'm clicking apply. Nothing seems to have changed. Oh well. I'll just export this and see what happens. I'll call it signnight.im. Okay, it should be ready to be exported to the game. Okay, here's what I'm going to need to create a new item. I'm going to need this sign, which is the preview image. I'm going to need these texture.txt files. This and this. This is the daytime file, and this is the nighttime one. I'm not going to need this sign.gmw or signnight.gmw. Those are files the game can't read anyway. I can delete this. I don't really need that. That's for later. Okay, these are all the files I should need to create the nameable New Jersey Transit sign that glows in the dark. So, just open up Trains 2012, which, by the way, takes forever on Windows 8. Okay, finally decided to show up. Click on Content. Okay, I'm gonna delete this because this is an older one I was working on that's not working quite the way I want it to. So I'm just gonna delete that and create another one to replace it. So press Control N to create a new item. You can also click File and then click New, I think. Okay, so this is going to be a scenery object that's not trackside. So just click Scenery and then click New. Okay, here where it says unnamed, that's where you're going to put whatever name you want. I'm going to call it NJT Station Sign Renamable. Okay, I'm gonna ignore everything else for now because I'm just... Oh yeah, I'm going to have to save it for now because that's all I can do. Of course, there are going to be errors that show up to say the tag mesh in container default is empty. The tag mesh in default must have a mesh file extension. The tag image in container 0 is empty. The tag image in 0 must have an image file extension. That we're going to fix later. But first, Control M to commit the changes. And now, Control Shift E to edit it in Explorer. Now where the config file is, double click that. And where it says Trains Build 3.4, replace the 4 with a 5 because there has to be at least a Trains Build of 3.5 before it can be uploaded to the download station. Okay, that much is done. Now go over to the other folder that I made earlier for the New Jersey Transit Station name sign. Oh, I think that file is already up. Oh, it is. Okay, here we go. Copy all of these files because I need all of them. And then paste them in here. Okay, now this is how you create a night mesh to make the mesh glow in the dark. First, right click and click New, and then Folder. you're going to name this folder Night. That's Night. And then, in this folder, you're going to put the night mesh. The mesh you specified is going to be the one that appears when it's nighttime. And then, let's see, the sign name night texture, and the sign name texture.txt file. Basically everything that has anything to do with nighttime is going to be in this folder. Okay, everything else stays outside of that folder. And then just exit out of that. And then Control-Shift-C to edit it in Content Creator Plus. Now we're going to add a preview image. Over here where it says thumbnail and 0, gonna add this image. Okay, where it says 0, the first one has to be 240 and the second one has to be 180. Okay, that fixes some of the errors. Okay, now the mesh. We need to add a mesh. Gonna use the sign.im. The texture NJT station sign.jpg is not a power of 2. Please resize it. I'll fix that later. Actually, I should fix that now because the mesh isn't appearing because of it. Okay, so Control M to commit the changes. These errors. Okay, Control Shift E to edit it in Explorer. Okay, I think this is the one they were talking about. So, open with Paint. Apparently it's not resized correctly. 256. Those are powers of 2. What are they talking about? 256 and 64. I don't understand what they say. They say it's not a power of 2, but this is a power. These are powers of 2. I'm not sure what they want me to do. Okay, what about? Were they referring to the night file? I don't really remember. Okay, I don't know why, but sometimes when I import a mesh, an error shows up for no reason. And it's usually a texture error. This one is telling me that the file is not a power of 2 and to please resize it, but it's already a power of 2. But because this game is stupid, it doesn't understand that. So instead, let's see, where is it? This is the file. This is the image file they're talking about. I'm gonna move that over to desktop, so it's easy to open. And then I'm gonna open this where is it? This PevSoft images to TGA. I'm basically gonna convert it into a TGA file. That usually fixes the problem. Now file, open. Okay. Oh, it's in desktop. Okay. Now file, save as. I'm gonna put .tga behind it. So that saves it as a .tga file. Okay, now I'm gonna move the .tga file in here. And then, let's see. I'm gonna tell this to use the TGA file instead of the JPG one. That should fix the problem I was having earlier. Oops. And now, Control M. Okay, in the next part, I'll try to figure out what's causing this non-existence error that the game just doesn't want to recognize.